Hello everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. In this video, I want to introduce 10 books that every trader must read them. Remember that reading 30 minutes a day improves your trading, your stress, and your sleep patterns. One of the first books every trader should read is The Memories of a Stocks Operator, a fictional but educational narrative. This book was published in 1923 by Edwin Lefebvre. The story is about a fictional character named Larry Livingstone who has a strange skill in trading market and expresses his insight and thoughts. In The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham deals with the most popular basic investment strategies. The interesting thing about this book is that Warren Buffett introduced it as the best book ever written on the subject of investment. Two very popular books by American author and trader Jack Schwager, Market Wizards and New Market Wizards, interview the most successful traders in the world of capital. By studying these two books, the secrets of success and the strategies that these people have implemented in their investment are revealed to traders, and they can also do magic in the market. Another best book for traders is The Disciplined Trader, published in 1990 by Mark Douglas. This article deals with the psychology of trading, which results in a unique discipline for the minds of traders. Victor Sprondo, the author of this book, believes that identifying the main direction of the policies that give direction to the economy helps traders to reveal the general direction of the market as well as its specific parts that lead to profit and prosperities. Trading Systems and Methods is one of the best books for traders because it has helped many traders to trade the right way. This book by Perry, collected by Perry Kaufman. Trading Systems and Methods is one of the best books for traders because it has helped many traders to trade the right way. This book, which is considered alchemy for traders, is the result of a 5-year effort by a psychiatrist and a successful trader, which was published in 1998 by Ari Q. In this book, the trader's experiences are examined and defined from the point of view of psychology, the result of which is overcoming mental obstacles in the market. Results of a 25 years experiment in the trading world can be seen, and the result of this experiment has helped the people involved to discover unique strategies for success in the market. Studying this book will definitely be a fascinating trip to the world of business. Erin Chain, the author of Algorithmic Trading, one of the best books for traders, published in 2013. Its simple and attractive narrative has made this work a distinct option for traders. In this book, the author describes what happened in 16 chambers of commerce in different fields. Alexander Elder examines each of these 16 chambers that specialize in a special type of business and describe the common characteristics that have led to the success of each. The question that arises for many newbies in the trading world is whether it's enough to get familiar with the trading environment and read related books. Do these studies make us a successful and skilled trader? In response, it must be said that reading the best book is necessary for all traders, but is not enough. This means that in addition to mastering the market in which you are trading, you should consider other side study such as learning trading tools, trial and error, and finally paying attention to the experience of others. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget subscribe and like me.